Welcome to Acer Showroom. Today, we dive into the beast that continues to dominate the naked bike segment, the 2025 Kawasaki Z900. For years, the Z900 has been a go-to choice for riders seeking a perfect balance of power, style, and everyday usability. In 2025, Kawasaki returns with subtle yet impactful upgrades that make this machine sharper, smarter, and even more irresistible. Engine and performance raw power, refined delivery. At the heart of the 2025 Kawasaki Z900 remains the tried and tested 948 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine. Delivering around 125 horsepower and 98.6 Newton-meters of torque, the Z900 roars with aggressive acceleration and smooth throttle control. Whether you're tearing through city streets or pushing limits on open highways, this engine delivers exhilarating performance without compromising reliability. Kawasaki's ride-by-wire system and refined fueling ensure crisp responses, especially in the mid-range where the Z900 feels most alive. Traction control and dual power modes are also present, giving riders confidence across various riding conditions. Chassis and handling confidence at every lean. The lightweight trellis frame and well-balanced geometry continue to be a highlight of the Z900. Paired with a 41mm inverted front fork and horizontal backlink rear suspension, the Z900 handles corners with confidence and offers solid stability during high-speed runs. For 2025, Kawasaki has fine-tuned the suspension setup slightly for better feedback and comfort, especially on uneven roads. The result is a more planted ride that appeals to both aggressive and casual riders. Design and styling Tsugomi DNA intact. One glance at the 2025 Z900 and the Tsugomi-inspired design language is unmistakable. Aggressive lines, muscular tank shrouds, and an angular LED headlight create a menacing look that demands attention. For 2025, Kawasaki introduces new color schemes and subtle graphic updates that make the bike stand out even more on the streets. The Z900 retains its compact and aggressive stance, giving it that perfect naked Streetfighter look, bold from every angle, yet not overly flashy. Technology and features modern and rider-friendly. The 2025 Z900 comes equipped with Kawasaki's latest TFT full-color display, offering Bluetooth connectivity via the Rideology app. Riders can access phone notifications, riding stats, and even GPS data right from the dash. The bike also features dual-channel ABS, Kawasaki traction control KTRC, and selectable riding modes, offering safety without dulling the thrill. For riders who crave customization, the Z900 allows fine-tuning of rider aids based on personal preference, ergonomics, and everyday comfort. Despite its aggressive styling, the Z900 continues to be surprisingly comfortable. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and refined seat cushioning make it suitable for longer commutes or weekend adventures. Kawasaki ensures that the bike remains friendly for taller and shorter riders alike, making it a true all-rounder, a Streetfighter that gets it right. The 2025 Kawasaki Z900 proves once again why it's one of the most beloved naked bikes on the market. With its relentless power, agile handling, aggressive design, and practical features, it's the kind of machine that thrills without overwhelming. Whether you're upgrading from a smaller bike or looking for your next daily thrill machine, the Z900 is a solid choice that won't disappoint. Kawasaki didn't try to reinvent the wheel with this update, they simply sharpened the blade. Thanks for watching Acer Showroom. Don't forget to subscribe for more detailed reviews, comparisons, and motorcycle news. Ride safe and stay powerful.